enough words to say thank you for the life you gave me, for the love you showed me, for the sacrifices I didn't even see. Today, I just want to say I love you. I didn't know the day you found a little heartbeat, a life so small. I didn't feel your silent tears or hear your prayers through it all. I didn't know the weight you carried, the fear, the hope, the sacrifice. But now I stand and understand you gave me more, you gave me life. And even when I couldn't speak, your love was speaking over me. I love you more than words can say. For every night you stayed awake, I love you more. For every sacrifice you gave your all, you gave your life. If I could give the world to you, it still wouldn't be enough truth. I love you, Mom. I love you. You held my hand when I was weak, you lifted me when I would fall. You saw the best when I was lost. You never gave up on me at all. You fed my dreams, you dried my tears. You prayed for me through all my fears. When I went wrong, you stayed right there. A love so deep, beyond compare. Even when I walked away, your love for me would always stay. I love you more than words can say. For every night you stayed away, I love you more. For every sacrifice you gave your all, you gave your life. If I could give the world to you, it still wouldn't be enough truth. I love you, Mom. I love you. For every meal, for every prayer, for every moment you were there. For every tear you hid from me, for every time you believed, for the strength you didn't show, for the pain I'll never know, for giving more than you could give. You taught me how to love, to live. And even when your steps grow slow and time begins to take its toll, I'll be there just like you were, to hold your hand, to guard your soul. And if one day you're called away and I can't see your face again, I'll carry you inside my heart until we meet beyond the end. I love you, Mom, forever and always. Through all my nights and all my days, I love you, Mom, beyond this life, beyond the tears, beyond goodbye. deep in my heart. Mama, I love you. To the ones raised by a grandmother, to the ones loved by an aunt, to the woman who stepped in when no one else did. Because a mother is not just the one who gave you life, but the one who gave you love. So today, we honor you, every woman with a mother's heart.